Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to add a picture in Instagram after posting. Now, first thing you should do is simply open Instagram on your phone. Then once you open it, you will have to go to your profile by clicking on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. And now let's try to post any picture. So now I have added this picture just in order to demonstrate. So now I'm gonna click on it. And here, as you can see, you can now click on these three dots on the top right corner. And now when we check actually all the things that we can do in this page, you can find here many options, but we cannot actually find the option to add a one picture or add another picture after posting. So this is actually a thing that does not exist, but you can add a location, add AI label, you can edit the caption, you can also go back and turn off commenting and do other things. And that's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.